If you are looking for a simple, no-nonsense mobile carrier, you've probably heard of Visible, but before you sign up, you need the full truth. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another unlimited plan, but there's a lot more to consider. Visible is a mobile virtual network operator (MVNO) that runs on Verizon's network. That means you get Verizon level coverage in most areas, which is huge if you live in a city or suburban area. You won't believe what happens next. This carrier offers one flat rate plan with unlimited talk, text, and data for $40 a month. That's it. No hidden fees, no tiers, no surprises. Getting started is simple. You can order a SIM card or eSIM online, and activation is usually fast. The app is your main hub for managing your account, paying bills, and contacting support. The upside is obvious. Unlimited data on Verizon's network for a flat price is rare. Visible also offers Party Pay, where you can join a group to lower your monthly cost to as low as $25 per line. Support is fully digital, which works well if you prefer online chat over calling. The downside, you get data deprioritization during congestion, which means your speeds may slow down in busy areas. There's no in-store support, so if you run into issues, you are relying on digital help. And while the unlimited plan is simple, it lacks advanced features like mobile hotspot prioritization or international roaming in many cases. The surprising truth about Visible is that it works great for light to moderate users who want simplicity and cost savings, but power users might find it limiting. If you mainly use your phone for social media, streaming, and messaging, it's a solid choice, but heavy hotspot users or frequent travelers may need to think twice. If this honest review helped you understand whether Visible is right for you, subscribe for more mobile carrier reviews and tips to save money on your phone plan.